Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Crunchyroll not playing videos problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your crunchyroll.com on your browser that you are using. So one thing that I would suggest you is simply check out if you have been applying any ad blockers extensions to your particular website that you have been using. Sometimes it might cost because it's not being supported well, and that could be one of the reasons. So first of all, check out that, and if there are any, simply remove it for your Crunchyroll website on Crunchyroll only, so you don't have to turn it off and again whenever you would like to use your browser. Other thing would be simply refreshing your the particular tab once again, and if that doesn't help you as well, simply go to the another and simply get yourself another web browser right over here. You can go to accept the Chrome one, and if you simply gonna go ahead, type in crunchyroll.com and see if that works over there. If that is also not one of the solutions that are not working out for me, what you can do otherwise is simply gonna go to this three dot icon on top right corner of the section and tap on the settings of your Chrome browser. Now go ahead in the search bar, type in update, and simply check if your browser is updated or not. Simply go ahead, update your Chrome browser, and that will simply help out for you to fix the problem of Crunchyroll not being played and video not playing problem. Then afterwards, you're simply gonna go ahead, cross out all of the web tabs, and simply once restart your device and start playing. So that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.